Welcome to 7 Minutes of Philosophy of Mind. Today, we dive into a fascinating topic, the limitations of our representational systems and the unsettling possibility that we, like turkeys in a farmer's world, may not fully grasp the forces shaping our reality. Let's explore the transcendental argument and test its boundaries. The transcendental solution attempts to explain how we make sense of reality through our conceptual and intuitive forms. Without these forms, we couldn't locate or comprehend objects of experience. It's a reassuring answer for moderate skeptics, those who accept that we can know time-spatial objects. However, this conclusion doesn't silence all doubts. What if we misrepresent these particulars, and their apparent accuracy is mere epistemic luck? Or worse, what if an external agent, a malevolent genius, manipulates our perception of reality, creating a systematic illusion? These questions challenge the sufficiency of the transcendental solution. By extending the transcendental strategy, some of these doubts can be mitigated. Even if there's a more accurate reality out there, we can only imagine it using our mediation systems. Representations beyond our grasp become dialectical and lack empirical support. An error on a transcendental scale would surpass the realm of phenomena and lose significance for us. This leads to the argument, even if malevolent beings or higher intellects exist, they operate on a different level, leaving our representational world unthreatened. But what happens when we test this theory with imaginative exercises? Consider the parable of the turkey scientists. These turkeys observe their world and develop rules to predict lunch at noon each day. Over time, these expectations evolve into a sophisticated system of laws, metaphysics, and even ideologies. Yet, unknown to them, the farmer governs their reality. He configures their surroundings and, at any moment, could disrupt their system, turning their understanding into meaningless fiction. This parable reveals the dangers of instrumentalist beliefs. Just because a system works doesn't mean it's accurate or safe. Even Kant's critical philosophy, which acknowledges the limits of our knowledge, doesn't escape the turkey dilemma. Our representations might simply reflect biases shaped by survival pressures, not objective reality. Another story deepens this question. Imagine our reality as a game played by transdimensional beings. The game is predictable, allowing us to create consistent laws. But what if the players decide to change the game or stop playing? Our mediation systems would collapse, leaving us stranded in a world where our rules no longer apply. This raises a sobering conclusion. While our systems provide stability, they may not represent ultimate reality. They could simply be responses to historical pressures, shaped by forces we cannot comprehend. In the end, the transcendental solution offers a compelling framework for understanding the world. But it also leaves us with haunting questions. What if our representations are incomplete, manipulated, or fragile? Perhaps, like turkeys, we are blissfully unaware of the forces beyond our comprehension. Thank you for listening to 7 Minutes of Philosophy of Mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of thought, consciousness, and reality.